It's only 20 minutes more before 2011 comes. And that's our fireworks. Dragon's Pearl of Pacific. The Chinese fireworks. It's three different fireworks, and the other one is the biggest one, and this is the small ones. I already used the three packets of the other one on the right, and I already used the 2 cans of that fireworks on the left side. And there's the Lucis. This is our house, and this is my motorbike. I'll show you the quitties. We call it quitties. It's like missiles. And this is... Daddy, anong tawag nito? And we call it trompillo. It's gonna spin when you put a fire on it. And this is the snake. We call this Judas belt. It's a 1,000 rounds of fireworks, and that's the end of the snake. We call it a snake. See, it's too long. And this is another set of trompillos, which is gonna spin when you light it up. And that's the longest one, longest fireworks that we got in the year 2011. And this is our house beside the coconut trees. Oh, I can't see the coconut trees, but that's our house. This is our gate. That's our house. And this is our street. And there's a basketball court beside our house. And that's the show.